Hi everyone, welcome back to another video where today I'm going to talk about the things I'm doing during lockdown, which is projects, future projects, and anything that has to do with coding. So one of the first things that I've started doing was a little Node.js project, which I call the Crypto Tracker. It's basically a price checker on cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, pretty much every cryptocurrency available on the market to buy or sell. So I'm using the CoinMarket API, which I'm using the free tier to making my requests from the Node.js and then displaying using Pug.js, which is a template engine that's mostly been known as Jade. They've changed the name and now it's Pug.js. I've never used Jade, but I have a book about Node.js who refers it, but I've never used it. Mainly because I don't like template engines, but now I had a little bit of curiosity and then I tried it out. So another thing that I'm doing during lockdown is I'm doing at the end of the day live streams on this YouTube channel, and I'm pretty much covering the building of this project in it. For the time being, I don't have many viewers for now, but if you're interested, consider subscribing and join me during my streams. I'll be posting the time and the links in my Instagram page, so if you don't follow it, be sure to follow it as well, so you'll keep being notified as I post the dates and the times of the live streams. So about my future projects, when I'm done building the crypto tracker, I'm trying to create Instagram analytics application. I know there are many of applications like this out in the market, but I don't want to spend $20 a month just to view some analytics that I will probably won't use as much. So I'm trying to see if I can create a relatively simple application that uses the Instagram API and trying to build something for myself. Now I'm going to show you the application I've been doing, the crypto tracker. It's just a simple application with nothing fancy, but I think it's turning to be a really nice project. So let's go check it out. So as you can see here, this is my Express server, which is basically a server built in Node.js where I make my requests and then I send all the data to the Pug template so it can render on the client side. So in here I have a simple call, which is the root get, which calls the market cap, where it calls the API. I have my API key in an env file, and what I do here is I get the latest quotes of these coins. I can pass the symbol as an argument and then it returns me the data. What I do with the data, I make an object, I get the object, I create a currency class, which I built it here, just an ID, a name, a price, and a symbol. And then all I do is send this to the Pug template, where here I get the data, I check if it's null, so I don't have to build anything in vain, and I create a table with an ID, a symbol, a price, a name, and a button, so I can later save some coins, so I can have a favorite page or a favorite table. So let's see this in action. What I have the BNB, the BTC, and the USDT, so the Tether, the Bitcoin, and the Binance coin. Their values in dollars. So I have another request, which is the all. And in here, what I do is I get the latest listing of the first 100 cryptocurrencies in US dollars. And here I pretty much do the same thing as I did on the last request. So all I have to do all. And here I get the request of the first 100 cryptocurrencies available on the CoinMarket API with the little button that gives me the alert of the ID. I've been doing a simple application, just nothing fancy. And what I'm trying to achieve with this is getting back on track with Node.js, because I haven't been using it for a time. So with these simple projects I'm trying to build, that I'm building on my stream, I'm trying to grow an audience and help people with any questions that they might have, and try to get them on the right tracks to become web developers. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you soon, both in my live stream and in this YouTube channel. I hope you get well and be safe, everybody.